In this video, we'll be learning how to blur movement using a slower shutter speed. So the first thing you have to do is change your shutter speed to 1/10. That is 1/10th of a second, which is a slower shutter speed. Next, let your aperture remain the same as in case of the last shot that we took. And when it comes to your ISO, if you're in a room where there's not too much of light, or if you're shooting this at night time, you can probably choose ISO as 400. And if you're in a well-lit room during daytime, if your room is really well lit, you can just select ISO 100. Again, the reason for this, you don't have to know right now. You'll understand this in the ISO chapter. Right now, let's focus on the shutter speed. So switch back to live view, put your hand in front of you just like we did in the last shot and lock focus on it, and then keep moving it in a waving like fashion and then take a shot. This time you'll notice when the shot comes out that your hand is just a blur. Let's just have a look at it again. You can see the hand appears to be a blur. This is because we used a slower shutter speed. So it has basically rendered the movement of our hand into a blur when we finally took that shot. So that's how slower shutter speed works.